Hey friends, this is a quick video to test out the ColourLock leather repair kit. This kit comes with cleaner, the dye, and a leather protector. I got this to try on my Fiverr. There's some wear on the driver's side near the door handle, just a common point of use. So let's go ahead and pop off the door card and test out this leather repair kit. I'm also going to remove the switch control unit so I don't have to worry about getting dye on it. Here are the instructions. Pretty straightforward. It's basically clean, shake the bottle, apply the color, let it dry, and then put on leather protect. The only thing that is kind of annoying me is they sell this as a kit. They say clean using strong cleaner and then cleaning spirit, but they don't provide the cleaning spirit in the kit. If it's a kit, it shouldn't include everything. Also doesn't come with a sanding pad. That's not a big deal. Anyway, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start with a mild degreaser or all-purpose cleaner. Then we'll move on to the strong leather cleaner because this gives a better finish. And I think it'll get rid of some of that residue from the APC. And then we'll apply the color and see how it does. So in the end, I am going to use isopropyl alcohol to degrease this portion of the armrest just to be sure I don't want to do this job twice. So I'm only going to degrease this section here where I plan to re-dye. Based on what I read, it should be fine, especially if we treat it. But just to be sure, I'm not going to touch the other areas that aren't in need of a re-dye. Here's the dye from ColourLock. You can see that it's Oyster Dakota. So let's see how this does. So let's see how we're looking. So generally speaking, I'm pleased. This is 4 coats, and I think I'm going to stop there. So we have a little distinction in color of where I dyed and where I didn't. And I don't want that to get any greater. And I think with that being a seam and with this being vertical back on the car door, it's not going to be an issue. So I'd say that's good enough for today's purposes. Pretty good. My camera overheated, so I wasn't able to film applying the protector, but I just used that pad to apply it, waited about 10 minutes, and then buffed it off. So let's put the door card back on and see how everything looks put back together. Here's the finished product. By distance, you can't really tell. I'd say it looks pretty good. First glance, I would not notice that leather had been repaired or re-dyed. So folks, I would give this kit a solid 9 out of 10. My only complaint is that it did not include the mineral solution, but apart from that, I am extremely satisfied with the results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.